Hey! Stop, thief! Get back here right now! I'll teach you to steal!
Feel the rhythm. Clap your hands now. Everything is beautiful. Right here, right now.
Even when hope fades, Gulzar finds the courage to carry on, embracing the patience that defines him.
Be brave, little one. Have patience. Everything will be all right.
Come on. Again. I will break it.
Patience, Gulzar. Patience. Just a little further.
Be patient, Gulzar. The morning brings new hope. One brush stroke at a time. It will be beautiful soon.
With courage in my heart and patience in my steps, the journey seems shorter.
Here is the basket, madam.
Oh, thank you. It is very beautiful.
What is your name, little one?
Thank you.
Welcome to the market, brother. Feel free to look around. Here you are, young one. May patience reward you.
Thank you, uncle.
Thank you. I'm proud of you.
They made it.